you're watching TV9 News. I'm Pratibha. Tamil Nadu is witnessing political fireworks on Pongal. BJP Chief JP Nadda and Congress de facto Chief Rahul Gandhi are in the state that will go to polls in a few months. But the biggest highlight of the day is Rahul Gandhi attending the Jallikattu event in Madurai. Now, the bull taming sport is integral to Tamil Nadu's culture and Tamilians have vociferously fought for it against all odds. So, there is no two way about how important the sport is for Tamil Nadu. But it's a surprise that Rahul Gandhi has decided to attend the event, and not just that, he even went to the extent of saying that it is his duty to protect Tamil culture. I'll tell you why this is ironic, but first listen in to what Rahul Gandhi said at the Jallikattu event.
It was quite a lovely experience to see Tamil culture and history in action. And I have specifically come here because I think Tamil culture, Tamil language, Tamil history are essential for the future of India and need to be respected by everybody in India. And it is my duty to stand with the people of Tamil Nadu and protect their history, their culture and their language.
Well, this might have resonated with the people in Tamil Nadu, isn't it? But why is it ironic? Well, it's because the Congress-led UPA had banned the sport in the year 2011. The Environment Ministry under Jairam Ramesh had issued a notification against it. In fact, Jairam Ramesh even went on record to call it a barbaric sport. But of course, similar to what we saw in 2016, the Tamil Nadu government under Karunanidhi brought a resolution to continue the event in Tamil Nadu. Remember, in 2010 as well, the Supreme Court had placed a ban on the use of bulls in sporting events. A massive protest followed, and after days of dharna by the people of Tamil Nadu, the State Assembly again passed a resolution. In fact, sensing the sentiment of the state, the Narendra Modi-led government had also amended the 2011 notification, and this was just ahead of the Tamil Nadu elections as well. Animal activists had condemned the decision, and Congress, in fact, had supported the ban. The Congress party had also supported the ban on Jallikattu in its manifesto back in 2016. Congress leader and lawyer Abhishek Manu Singhvi had also filed a petition on behalf of the Animal Welfare Board of India, only to step down later after the Tamil Nadu Congress had asked him to. So clearly Congress finds itself on a sticky wicket here. The BJP has reminded the Congress party of the fact, while conveniently forgetting that Maneka Gandhi has also spoken against Jallikattu. But of course, political parties and political leaders are known for their U-turns. In this case as well, it seems like Rahul Gandhi must be hoping that public memory is short, and he is ready to go to any extent to aid that. Well, that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know in the comment section what you think of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi attending the event. Do you think political leaders should not be supporting Jallikattu, or do you think they should be? Please like, share and subscribe to TV9 Digital. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video.